How to track Gmail account location. Today we're diving into something interesting, how to track the location of a Gmail account. So let's jump right in. Did you know that Gmail keeps a record of where you've accessed your account from? Yes, it tracks your login locations and gives you valuable insights. This can be handy for security or tracking the activity of your account, but here's the catch. You can only view this information if you know where to look. So let me show you how to track Gmail account locations directly from your browser. First, open your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, click on the small profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, simply click on Manage your Google account. Now, simply go to the Security tab and scroll down to your Devices section and click on Manage Devices. This will show you all the devices that have access to Gmail account. We want more specific information, so let's dig deeper to track the location. What you need to do is simply tap on whichever app or whichever phone, and here you can see recent activity and where is this located. As you can see, Nepal. Now to see more of the or the to track the locations, what you need to do is simply click on recent security activity, like I said earlier over here. Here Google lists recent activity with IP addresses and approximate location for each login. Now, here's something else you can use for more detailed location tracking. Google's location history. If it's turned on, it can show you the exact place you visited with your phone, including when you've logged into Gmail on that device. And that's it. That's how you track the location of your Gmail account and keep an eye on its activity.